Hey y'all, it's Rachel, and today I'm so excited because I'm gonna be showing you a fun Halloween look. And I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Colorista sprays to create this look. And it's a new take on strawberry shortcake. Now, I thought this would be so much fun, especially with the popularity of strawberries and the strawberry dress. A new take on strawberry shortcake. So I'm gonna be using two different L'Oreal Colorista sprays. This one is the Red 400. And this one, my personal favorite, is the Rose Gold. So first things first, we want to protect our clothes. So I am first going to put kind of an old towel around my shoulders, and I'm also going to be using a newspaper. Okay, so first I'm going to section the hair. So I'm just going to kind of section this top layer off because I want to start with the bottom pieces first. I'm going to go in with the Rose Gold first. And you want to spray at least 4 to 6 inches from the hair. Now less is more, so start small and then you can build up. And the more vibrant it's going to be depends on how light your hair is. So since my hair is obviously pretty light, it's going to be very, very vibrant. So. Okay, so now comes the fun part. I'm gonna do the little space buns. So all I'm gonna do is take a section of hair from this top part, leaving out little tendrils here in the front, and use a plastic elastic to create a small bun on both sides. Okay, so now that the little space buns are done, I'm actually going to spray these red to look like little strawberries. So I'm using the Colorista Red 400. Let's do it. Ah! The red is so vibrant. I love it. I also decided to add this velvet pink ribbon to the buns, just for a little extra fun. Okay, so now it's time for the makeup. So I just finished with the makeup. Now all that's left is the costume, which is a really fun strawberry dress you guys see back here, and it'll be the final look. So here is the final look. I absolutely love how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Special thanks to L'Oreal for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you next time for more Halloween videos. Bye.